third graders. Today we're going to talk about some story problems. And sometimes they ask us to find the estimated answer and the exact answer. So we're going to try that, okay? So let's get started. All right, my first problem here says I have $38 and I want to buy shoes that cost $29. About how much money will be left and exactly how much money will be left. So I'm going to start out with my estimate. Okay, so I know my shoes cost $38. Nope, I'm sorry. I have $38 and my shoes cost $29. So I'm going to round to the nearest 10 because that makes the most sense here. Okay, so if I round $38 to the nearest 10, I'm going to underline my 10 and look behind it. So it's closest, my 8 tells us we're going to round that to a 4. My 8 becomes a 0. So I have about $40. Now, my shoes are $29. I'm going to round this one to the nearest 10 too. So my shoes cost, I see my 9 rounds that to a 3. My shoes cost about $30. So if I have $40, and I'm going to spend about $30, how much money am I going to have left? You've got it. I'm going to have about $10 left. So my estimate is that I'm going to have about $10 left. So now it should be pretty easy to find my actual, because you guys are used to doing this. You have $38. And just like over here, we're subtracting the amount we spent, $29. Okay, so I see 8 minus 9. 9 is bigger bottom, better borrow. I give it a 1 and change that to a 2. 18 minus 9 is 9. 2 minus 2, 0. $9 would be how much I actually have left. So you can see our estimate and our actual are pretty close. All right, let's try one more, third graders. I had 291 popsicle sticks. It takes 250 sticks to make a bridge. About how many sticks left and exactly how many will be left? Okay, so this time I have 291 popsicle sticks. Okay, kind of an odd-ish number. Let's get it to a nice round number. So this is my estimate. Okay, 291. And this time, I'm going to round to the nearest 25. Okay? So 25 is going to be here. And if I count by 25s, 25, 50, 75, $1. Okay? What's 91 closest to? I can see it's closest to $1. So actually, I'm ending up rounding to the nearest 100 here, aren't I? Because we're going to round this 100 to 300. Now my other is 250. And I'm rounding to the nearest 25. And I see over here, well, we're already there. Okay, so I have 291 and it takes 250. I use 250. So what operation am I going to do to find out how many will be left? You're right, I'm going to subtract. Okay, so I can take 0 minus 0. That's 0. I can't take 0. I'm borrowing. 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 minus 2, 0. So I have 50 sticks left. That's my estimate. Okay, my actual then, just like over here, I'm going to use the same operation. And we know which one we put on top. We put 291 on top, 250 on the bottom. We subtract, and we get the actual is 41 sticks. Are we pretty close here? Yes, we are. Okay, guys, you did great. So remember, usually what's happening, guys, is we're forgetting to do the estimate. We're just finding the actual. Don't forget, if it asks you about how many, or estimate how many, we need to do some rounding before we do our operation. All right, third graders, we'll see you tomorrow.